Welcome. In front of me is Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on this laptop. To do this, right-click at any place of your desktop, then click Personalize, and in the following menu select Background. Then you can choose expand this list and choose one of the 4 options for your background. Now if you select picture, you can select one of the recent images that presented right here, or you can browse photos from your file explorer if you click right here and select a photo that you want to set as your background. Then you can also choose a feed for your image by expanding this list and selecting the feed that you like the most. And the solid color lets you set a single color as your background. You can choose one of the default colors, or you can select a custom color by selecting view colors and then choosing the color that you like. Then click done to apply. The third option is slideshow, and to start a slideshow you have to select the folder from a file explorer by clicking browse and selecting the folder from which you want to grab pictures for your slideshow. You can change the frequency of images reappearing on your screen by expanding this list and choosing the value that fits for you. You can also shuffle the picture order by switching this toggle to the right, and you can let slideshow run even when laptop runs on battery power by switching this toggle. You can also choose a feed for your desktop image by selecting one of these options from the list. And the last option for your background is Windows Spotlight, and it's just a random image presented by Microsoft that changes every once in a while. And if you want to learn more about the image you see on your screen, click right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.